At LUNEX, a new generation is stepping into the future of healthcare. With deep knowledge in anatomy, biomechanics, and physiology, they understand the human body from inside out. Taught entirely in English, the program is delivered by an international team of experts, bringing diverse perspectives and up-to-date practice from across Europe and beyond. With an innovative block teaching system, students fully immerse themselves in one subject at a time, allowing for deeper focus. Learning goes far beyond techniques. Students are trained to assess and treat a wide range of conditions through evidence-based methods and a patient-centered approach. Students learn to communicate with empathy, collaborate across multidisciplinary teams, and educate patients on preventive health. LUNEX students benefit from a growing network of partner hospitals and clinical institutions through supervised placements in healthcare settings. The program meets European higher education standards, ensuring diploma recognition and preparing graduates to practice in Luxembourg and across the European Union. LUNEX osteopathy graduates don't just treat, they care. They make a difference. We care, you succeed. Join the LUNEX experience.